Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. I'm going to be showing you guys BitFlyer. This crypto exchange does seem to be very limited, but that can also be seen as it being very easy and simple to use and understand. Also, the fees are very low, although withdrawing crypto from BitFlyer into another wallet does have a fee in itself. BitFlyer offers you 5 different cryptocurrencies to purchase: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. The only possible way to transfer money into BitFlyer is by doing a bank transfer or wire transfer. You will need to input your proof of identity, cell phone verification, and personal information, which includes taking a picture of yourself and holding your driver's license next to you. The trading fees for anything under $1 million is 0.12%. It currently costs around $3.65 to withdraw Bitcoin into another crypto wallet, although other cryptos have lower fees. As for Ethereum, it currently costs around $1.13 to withdraw it. Litecoin costs 4 cents, Bitcoin Cash 4 cents, Ethereum Classic 2 cents, and that's basically all of them. So I actually personally already did set up an account for myself, and I connected my bank account, and I did a bank transfer, which gives you the crypto instantly when you buy it, but you have to wait 3 to 5 days to withdraw it, kind of similar to Coinbase. So I bought $11 worth and got around $10.88 worth of Bitcoin. So I only lost around 12 cents in the transaction, but if I were to move it to another wallet, I would have to pay around $3 in fees just to move it. So there is no fee to sell though, so it is better if I keep my Bitcoin on the BitFlyer exchange, which I personally don't like that, how they basically have an incentive to keep your crypto on an exchange, because I personally don't trust exchanges with holding crypto. I trust them to buy crypto, but not to actually hold it in itself, because exchanges can be hacked, meaning people can take your crypto out of it from you. Also, even if the exchange in itself is not hacked, your personal account for it can be hacked. So for me, this is not a good option for buying Bitcoin specifically, as their fees are really high to withdraw it. The other cryptos offered with their withdrawal fee may be worth it over other exchanges though. So overall, the process was fast and simple and easy, and I would like to recommend it to people who are new to crypto. But I really dislike the withdrawal fee, as it's the only exchange I've ever used that actually has it, as far as I've ever seen or used. And if your only goal is to buy specifically Bitcoin, then the fee to withdraw into your own like cold wallet or hot wallet makes BitFlyer a bad option for you, honestly. So you may be wondering why I made this video, as I don't really like BitFlyer myself from what I'm have with my personal experience. But I want everyone to know all the different options out there, and I found BitFlyer simple enough for someone new to crypto. So as of right now, I would personally recommend using Crypto.com, as they're having a special deal for 0% fees on debit card purchases. And other than that, I would recommend CashApp for Bitcoin, as it's got very low fees and it's very easy to use. So I will leave a link in the description to the official BitFlyer US website, or you can look it up for yourself if you're interested. And also, if you rather sign up for Crypto.com or CashApp, I have links down in the description. For Crypto.com, if you use my referral, you'll get $50 worth of MCO tokens. If you use my CashApp referral, you'll get like $5, just $5 in USD for free if you use my referral. So yeah, also BitFlyer will be down in the description, like I've said. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future content relating to crypto, and I will see you guys later in the next video.